Moving on, talking about the new DPDP rules launched in November 25. Let's talk about significant data fiduciary and the role of a data protection officer with respect to this. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. And as I said, we are going to talk about significant data fiduciary and the role of a data protection officer as well. So, what is a significant data fiduciary? Do you know what is a data fiduciary? I think that's pretty clear. The organization that is processing personal information of any individual. What personal information? The PIIs. What does processing mean? Collecting, storing, using, third party sharing, and deleting. So, you do any of these for personal information of any Indian citizen, you are a fiduciary. You become a significant data fiduciary when you're handling large volumes of personal data. There is a risk of harm to the individual. That makes that particular piece of information significant. And of course, if government notifies and says this class of information is now significant, so it becomes significant data fiduciary again. Large volumes of personal data, high risk of harm, and government notification based classification. When is a DPO mandatory? A data protection officer is mandatory when the significant data fiduciary is working. The law now says, the rules now say that if you are classified as a significant data fiduciary, that means you are having a data that can harm the individual, loss or breach can harm the individual, that means you are processing large volumes of data, or you are belong to a specific class of service, then you must have a data protection officer who is based in India and consider that data protection officer role is a senior level role, not a junior level role. The role and powers of a DPO: he need to oversee the compliance. He should act as a point of contact both for within the organization as well as for the Data Protection Board of India. If Data Protection Board of India wants to ask, question anything, it's the role of the DPO to handle those queries, to be ready for audits, to deploy correct privacy practices for the organization. He is responsible to face the board. Public disclosure requirements: DPO contacts must be published for the public. There has to be a transparent user access for DPO controls. So one need to be very, very careful. Overall, the big picture: significant data fiduciary needs to be more accountable because they're handling more crucial, larger volumes of data. Their governance needs to be better, and they need to build trust for themselves because they are using data or processing data that can be harmful if it is breached. And therefore, they require a dedicated person at a senior level to take care of all these operations and is designated as a data protection officer for us. So that's about the role of a DPO and a significant data fiduciary. I hope you like the content of my video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.